In today's video, we're going to discuss the process of activating your deactivated Uber account and what it means for you. First, let's look at some of the common reasons why Uber accounts get deactivated, including safety violations and document issues. Next, we will guide you through the steps to check your account status directly in the Uber app. Now, let's prepare your appeal for reactivation. This includes gathering all necessary information and crafting a clear message. It's crucial to compile all the relevant documents you'll need to include with your appeal. Here are detailed instructions on how to submit your reactivation request effectively. Remember, effective communication with Uber support can greatly influence the outcome of your appeal. You may be wondering how long this process takes. Let's break down the expected timelines for the account review. If your initial appeal is denied, don't lose hope. Here's what you should do next to increase your chances of reactivation. Thank you for watching. Stay proactive in your efforts, and remember, persistence is key.